Hi, welcome to myprojectbuzzer.com. Now we are going to see the process of private searching and streaming data based on keyword frequency. Let's move to abstract. Private searching and streaming data is a process to dispatch to a public server a program. It searches streaming sources of data without revealing searches criteria and then sends back a buffer containing the findings. This contribution is also supporting the dictionary. It contains collection of words. The searching criteria can be constructed by only simple combination of keywords. In fully homomorphic encryption has allowed us to construct arbitrary searching criteria theoretically. A new private query which searches for documents from streaming data on the basis of keyword frequency. This form of query can help us in finding more relevant documents based on the fully homomorphic encryption technique. This fully homomorphic encryption technique is also supporting the some protocols. There are conjunction and disjunction and complement and then also generic keyword frequency protocols. Our protocols are semantically secure as long as the underlying fully homomorphic encryption scheme is semantically secure. Now see the DFT process. User selecting the query and then next to process the query and to evaluate the some possible words from the user query. These keywords are possible words or not, then to checking with the help of a dictionary and then analyzing these words. Finally retrieve the possible words from dictionary. Apply destructive keyword frequency protocol, analyzing keywords and to retrieve the some matching documents. Then next to apply FHC scheme. FHC means fully homomorphic encryption. And next to apply conjunctive protocol, it also analyzing keywords and then next to retrieve some matching documents. Then next to apply complement keyword frequency protocol. It is to combining above the protocols from matching documents such as disjunctive protocol and conjunctive protocols. And next to apply generic protocol. This protocol is retrieve the some documents from complement protocol and next to applying the some techniques to retrieve the correct matching documents and finally server send the correct document to user. Now see the project demo process. Query search in our project package name. Source package name same as the project package name. It contains the all frame in our project. First frame is a home.java. Select the frame and right click to select run file. The frame can be loaded. This is our home page. Click here. The next frame will be loaded. Click evaluation. Here dictionary data can be evaluated. Okay. Then view the dictionary data. These are the dictionary contains a collection of words and this data can be stored into a database. Click extraction. Possible words extracted successfully. Then OK and click next. This frame is used for a user query selection. Here get category. These 4 categories can be listed here and select any one category here. Select Tamil Nadu and then get query. This related query can be retrieved here. Query viewed. OK and select any one query from the list. Then click extract. Query extracted successfully. OK. Then this query sent to the server. Send. Selected query successfully sent. OK. Then next to run server.java frame. The frame can be loaded. The query here can be retrieved and click receive. User query received. OK. Then view the query. This is the user selecting query. Then pre-processing the query pre-processed successfully. Okay. Then get words. These are the possible words and the pre-processing words. Then click next, and here to check possibility. These words are possible words or not. Check possibility. Possible evaluation successfully. Then view the words. Then next to get the possible words. Possible keywords extracted. These are the possible words used to retrieve matching documents. These words can be stored database. Click data storage. Keywords inserted. Okay. Then next, this is the first protocol. This is the keyword frequency. Get the possible keywords. These keywords is for use to retrieve the matching documents. Apply disjunction keyword frequency protocol. Searching documents extracted. It's searching the some matching documents can be retrieved here. Then apply FHE scheme. Then click key generate, file signature generator, and encrypt the documents. Here data can be encrypted successfully. Okay. Then next to the conjunctive frequency protocol, and retrieve the keywords and apply conjunction keyword frequency protocol. The documents can be extracted here. Then apply FHE scheme, generate the key for the documents. Then apply encryption for the matching documents. Then next, here to apply complement keyword frequency protocol. Get disjunction document. Here documents can be retrieved, and disjunction decrypt the document. Okay. Then conjunction document retrieved here, and conjunction decrypt the document. Okay. Then check keywords using the to disjunction conjunction matching documents, and apply some FHE technique to retrieve the complement keyword frequency documents. Then next, this is the generic keyword frequency, and get complement. Here complement keyword frequency document can be retrieved here, and get generic keyword frequency document user query keywords extracted. Okay. These are the correct document can be extracted successfully. Then view the performance. These are the matching for your performance analysis for disjunctive frequency, conjunctive frequency, and generic frequency. Then send the document for user. Next to select the user frame to click receive, file received. Okay. Then user get the correct document for related keywords. Thank you.